Welcome to the Digital Marketing Ultimate 11 Course Bundle. In this massive course bundle, you're going to learn digital marketing with sales funnels, cold email, Facebook ads, Google ads, LinkedIn, SEO, and WordPress, and then also how to create amazing videos and be able to market those as well. So we have a lot of different things that we're going to cover in this course. I want to go ahead and give you an overview of the 11 different courses that we're going to cover. We have a lot of resources in the course as well, over 26 different resources for various topics, various templates. So let's go ahead and jump into the 11 courses that we're going to cover in this ultimate bundle. So the first 3 courses that we're going to cover in this bundle here is going to be the sales funnels overview. So we're going to go over what exactly are sales funnels, how do they work. We're going to go over the different stages of sales funnels. We're going to go over the 3-step, the 4-step, and then various tools. And then in course 2, we're going to go over cold email lead generation. This is a lead generation machine in a box here. Essentially, what we're covering here is how you can use cold email to be able to generate leads on demand. We're going to walk through where to find email lists. We're going to walk through how to write copy, right? How to write email messages that get responses, that get leads coming in your inbox. And then we're going to go over a bunch of different tools that you need to use to be able to effectively use email marketing on autopilot. And then in course number 3, we're going to go over Facebook ads. This is where we're going to walk through from A to Z, how to be able to create, launch, and optimize profitable Facebook ads from scratch. We're going to walk through how to create your very first ad, how to write your different types of copy, how to maximize and then optimize your different ads. And then in course number 4, we're going to walk through Facebook Messenger bots. So this is going to be an extension of the Facebook ads. This is where you're going to be able to learn how to create Facebook Messenger bots through the Facebook platform. So this is going to allow you to be able to get people in your sequence, be able to get them to actually respond and see your messages, right? The Facebook messaging app is extremely popular, and it's a great way to build leads and engagement at a very personal level. So we're going to walk through how to create your Facebook Messenger bot. We're going to walk through how to create different sequences, how to add leads, how to create automatic replies, and how to essentially make it look like you're having a conversation with the real human being. And we're going to be able to walk you through exactly how to do that. And then in course number 5, we're going to walk through Google Ads Mastery. So we're going to walk through how to get set up with Google Ads, how to create your very first ad from scratch. We're going to walk through different copy templates. We're going to walk you over the shoulder exactly how to write copy, right? Different ads for very specific niches, different industries, right? No matter what type of industry you're in, I'm going to walk you over the shoulder how to be able to create highly profitable and successful Google ads from scratch. And then in course 6, this is where we're going to go into SEO. So the Google SEO blueprint. I'm going to walk you through exactly how the Google SEO algorithm works, what Google is looking for to be able to rank your website at the top of the first page for your most profitable keywords, because you can go ahead and generate leads, get sales from all these different paid advertising. However, once you're able to implement SEO, you're going to be able to get free organic traffic without having to pay for it. SEO is a very powerful but patient form of marketing. The big thing here is with SEO, you're going to get that free traffic. However, it does take a little bit of time to set up, right? You got to build that trust, that credibility, that authority with Google. And I show you step by step exactly how to do that from scratch. And then in course number 7, we're going to walk through LinkedIn marketing. So we're going to walk you through how to set up your LinkedIn profile, how to set up a LinkedIn company page, how to generate leads on LinkedIn, and essentially everything you need to do to become an authority on the LinkedIn platform. And then in course number 8, we're going to walk through web design profit. So I'm going to walk you through how to be able to start a web design business, how to easily design websites and then sell those for a profit. And then I'm going to walk you through how you can outsource the web design process so you can get others to create the websites for you. And then all you need to do is sell those to clients. And then in course number 9, we're going to walk through WordPress for beginners. So this is a complete WordPress for Beginners course here. I'm going to walk you through step by step how to register a domain, how to get hosting, how to install WordPress, how to navigate WordPress, how to install a free website, how to set up the Yoast SEO plugin, essentially how to build a website using the WordPress platform from scratch. And then in course number 10, we're going to walk through video marketing profits. And so this is a course that shows you how to create amazing videos from scratch and then how to sell those to clients for a profit. So I'm going to walk you through various video creation tools. I'm going to show you how to create a video within a matter of minutes and then be able to sell that for hundreds, even thousands of dollars. And then I'm going to show you how to outsource all that work if you want to and you don't want to actually focus on creating the videos. And then finally, in course number 11, I'm going to show you how to start a digital marketing consulting business. So you've learned all these digital marketing skills, right? How to build sales funnels, how to work with paid advertisements, how to work with LinkedIn, SEO, all these different skill sets that you've developed. I'm going to show you how to monetize those skills, how to take all the knowledge, all the information, right? The material that you've learned through this course and be able to monetize it so that you can get paid for your skills, right? For your knowledge that you've acquired through this course. So I'm excited for you to join me and I look forward to seeing you on the inside.